Hi, welcome to the Kemp IT Law vlog. I'm Richard Kemp, and this is the third and final vlog in a short series that looks at data governance in the organisation. In this vlog, we look at how ISO technical standards may be able to ease the regulatory burden. Organisations increasingly look at their data estates, recognising that data has value as a business asset, but also carries risk and potential liability for data breach, for example. In order to maximise value and minimise risk, organisations are looking to establish common processes that apply to their data assets across the data lifecycle, appropriately protect data assets and address any misuse, and enable efficiency gains to be harnessed from a structured, managed, repeatable approach that can be applied to all the organisation's data-centric activities, operations and services. Technical standards are therefore becoming more widely used as a way of assuring internal stakeholders through policy statements and external partners through contract terms that the organisation's data is being managed and governed appropriately. ISO, the International Organization for Standardization, first published ISO 38500 on IT governance back in 2008, and the current version is the third edition from 2024. This was supplemented in 2017 by ISO 38551 specifically on the governance of data, and in 2018 by ISO 38552, which provides guidance on 38551. 38551 sets out the framework for data accountability mapping and governance that you see on your screen. As an initial point, 38551 helpfully clarifies that data governance shouldn't be confused with the field of data management, which has many well-defined methods for processing of data. The standard takes a sample data lifecycle with the stages shown in column A: data storage, data use, deletion and the like, and it assesses for each of those stages that data's value and risk to the organisation and the constraints on its use. This is shown at column B. As shown in column C, the governing body is then to be accountable for strategy, data sharing, data acquisition and performance improvement, and also to ensure compliance with external duties and internal policies. Last, as shown in column D, the framework then constantly evaluates current and future data use, directs the implementation of strategies and policies to ensure that data use meets business objectives, and monitors conformance to policies and performance against strategies. With data assuming an ever more important role in the organisation, we're likely to be hearing a lot more about effective data governance in the coming months and years. With data assuming an ever more important role in the organisation, we're likely to be hearing a lot more about effective data governance in the coming months. If you'd like to find out more, please check out our white paper at the link on your screen.